Hey everybody, so we've got lots of snow and we've got more on the way. I remember when I was a kid, we didn't get snow very often here in East Texas. But when we did, it was a treat because we got to bake snow ice cream. So I'm going to make some snow ice cream today and put it in the freezer, and I can eat that long after this snow is gone. So let me show you how I do it. I don't have exact directions. I don't even remember. I just do the best I can with it. Figure it out. Okay, we got a big thing of snow here. What I'm going to do is use some... Okay, I'm going to use evaporated milk. Now, normally I would use regular whole milk, but I don't buy milk because I can't tolerate it. So I can't drink it before it would ruin. So I'm going to pour some milk in here. I don't have an exact amount. I just pour it in there. Gotta have sugar. And it's gotta have a lot. Y'all know it. It's just part of it. That's what makes it good. I may have to add some more. I don't know. Gotta have some vanilla. I'm going to do the same. Just pour it in there. Okay. Now, I learned a long time ago it's easier to use a mixer to try to mix all this up, and it makes it super, super creamy. But first, I've got to kind of condense it down in this bowl that I've got because I don't want it all over everything. And then we'll start mixing it up. Boy, I remember when I was a kid and it would snow and I was hoping, oh, let it snow a little longer, let it snow a little more so we can get some, so we can make snow ice cream. Because, oh my gosh, that was good. So good. All right, I'm going to try the mixer. We'll see. Start off low. I may have to add some more snow. That's okay. Got a lot of it out there. Ooh, looks like my vanilla was a lot, doesn't it? Wow. I may have overdone the vanilla, y'all. Like I said, it's been a long, long time since I've done this. And I may need to go get me a little more snow, too. Yep. Got way... Not enough. Not enough. Okay, that's all right. Okay, it's going to work out. It's kind of scary going at first. I'll mix this up and get back to you. Okay, got it mixed up. I'm putting it in a container that I can put it in the freezer. You saw that I just put some of this and some of that. Vanilla, milk, and sugar. It looked like I put a lot of sugar, but I tasted it and it's really not as sweet as I have certainly done it in the past. I can always add some more. So just mash it down in there. Look, y'all. Looks like ice cream. taste it. Yeah. That's what I remember when I was a kid. Snow ice cream. Y'all make some. It's delicious.